Editing worksheet data in MS Excel, Part 1. Hello children, now we will learn how to edit worksheet data in MS Excel. The data entered into the worksheet may be required to be modified. This is called editing worksheet data. Selecting data or cells. To perform operations such as copying or moving, we will follow the steps to select data or cells in a worksheet. To select a text in a cell, we need to double-click inside the cell and then select the text in the cell. To select a single cell, we need to select the cell or use the arrow keys to move to the cell. To select a range of cells, we need to select the first cell in the range and then drag the selection to the last cell in the range. To select all the cells on a worksheet, we will click the Select All button. To select an entire row and column, we will click the row or the column heading.